Well, it's laundry day in the Archuleta Jones household, and this makes me this makes me think of a time when we used to argue over the smallest things. I remember a whole session of our couples therapy was devoted to me complaining about how he will always take out the trash but never ever put a trash bag in the trash can. It now, looking back, seems like such a silly thing to spend so much money and time on, but it was important to me at the time. What I've come to realize over the course of my life as a therapist and as a partner is that if I don't speak up my mind, I'm actually leaving my relationship vulnerable to my resentment. In other words, harmony allows resentment to grow, and I like to teach my clients about that all the time. So one of the key phrases that I've adopted over the years is this way of introducing a tough conversation to my husband in a way that cues him. So my favorite slogan is, "Hey babe, I need to protect us from my resentment." And that allows me to feel safe because he's always held that space for me, but it also allows me to find the courage to talk about what I want from a perspective that's not blaming him. I'm not shifting the blame, so it's all about him. I'm not making this his responsibility. I'm owning the emotion that I'm creating in response to him, and that gives us a very good start. This also kind of cues him to step into that empathetic, curious place so that he doesn't take what I'm about to say with a lot of defensiveness, but just with a lot of curiosity. So if I were to say something like, I don't know, "Babe, I'm always the one doing the laundry," what I could say is, "Hey, I need to protect us from my resentment because I'm telling myself that I'm the only one doing the laundry, and I don't know if that's accurate, or maybe you're contributing to the house in other ways, but I just need you to hear this so that I can clean it up." And that gives him the ability to say, "No, I totally get it. You are the only one doing laundry, but I'm also the one who's taking care of the dog and emptying the dishwasher." And then that allows me to relax. Or he can say, "You know what, you're right, and I need to step it up." Either way, "Hey babe, I need to protect us from my resentment," is a good cue to get both of us in a place where we can reach repair instead of antagonize one another into a major argument.